Ugh, moving is exhausting. And I still have to make my Max AC channel recipe for this week. I could really go for a nice cold glass of... Oh, I know.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month, we will be doing Juicy June, where we will be focusing on 4 different drinks that use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode, we will be finishing off this month by making some ice-cold lemonade. For this recipe, you will of course need 6 lemons, both the skin and the juice, 1 cup or so of granulated sugar, 4 cups of boiling water, and 1 cup of ice plus any extra as needed. First, we will want to make sure to wash our lemons, since we will be using their skins in this dish. Next, once your lemons are clean, dry them off, and then, using a vegetable peeler, peel the zest off of all of the lemons into a large bowl. You can use a knife to peel the skin off, but I found it hard to avoid also peeling off the bitter white pith beneath the zest, which you don't really want to include. So use a vegetable peeler if you have one, or just be extra careful. Then, once you're done, set the peeled lemons aside, and then pour the sugar over the lemon peels. Give this a stir until the lemon peels are coated with the sugar. And when you're ready, cover and let the mixture rest for at least 2 hours or overnight in the fridge, along with your peeled lemons as well. After waiting, set some water to boil, and while we wait, remove the lemon peel and sugar mixture from the fridge, and the mixture should look a bit wet. Give the mixture a little stir to help release a little bit more lemon oil, and then once your boiling water is ready, pour it over the sugar and lemon peel mixture. Give this a stir, and once all the sugar is dissolved, allow it to cool to room temperature. While we wait, we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. Cut your lemons in half, and using a juicer, juice all of your lemons. You can of course use your hands to juice them. That's a lot of lemon to juice, so I recommend just using a juicer if you have one. Plus, you don't have to remove the seeds afterwards. Then, once your syrup is room temperature, we'll want to remove the peels before mixing everything together, so using a strainer, strain the peels out from the syrup. You again can use your hands instead, but you will have sticky hands afterwards, so just make sure to wash them once you're done. Once you're ready, to your serving glass, add your lemon sugar syrup and your lemon juice, and give that a little mix. Then, you may add some ice now, or chill it in the fridge and add ice later. This lemonade is pretty intense in flavor, so if you want, you may also add some water or sparkling water if you want to dilute it a bit, or if you want to magically make more lemonade. And because the flavor is strong, you can also add some alcohol if you want to make a boozy lemonade. But regardless of what you choose to add, once your drink is chilled, your ice-cold lemonade is ready to drink. I've been meaning to make this recipe for a while now, but I just never got around to it. I love lemonade a lot, and it's probably my favorite drink to drink. This particular recipe comes from Emmy Made, who also has a YouTube channel where she makes fun and interesting recipes she has found on the internet. So go check her out. We've actually done a couple of her recipes before, with the chocolate cake and tomb episodes, so go check those out as well. If you're like me and don't like wasting ingredients, one quick tip is that you can use the strained lemon peels to make some homemade candied lemon peels. All you need to do is dry your peels and then let them harden on some parchment paper and then coat them with some sugar. It's that simple. This lemonade is probably one of the best lemonades I've had, so I highly recommend trying it out. But this recipe is really easy to modify, so you can easily adjust the amount of sugar, lemon, and water to your liking. And you can also easily change the citrus up to make limeade or orangeade, or even a combination of all three. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel.